Hey folks, how you doing? Hope you're well. But I wanted to give you a little bit of background behind the ride today. So here on the screen, you're looking at a 200 kilometre ride that I rode back in 2021. On the 30th of January, it's 210 kilometres. So in this video you can be watching in just a moment, I decided I'd ride it again, try and get around quicker than I did 12 months ago. I'm joined by Jamie. You've probably seen him in my last video, the trip to Miami in Groats. He joined us for the first 3 hours. He messaged me last night saying, do you fancy going to Twigmore Woods over near Scunthorpe Way tomorrow? I'm like, I can't, this is what my route is. We can perhaps lead out for part of the way, so that's exactly what we did this morning. Let's just watch, shall we? Hey folks, good morning, how are you doing? Hope you're well. I'm out with Jamie once again. Good morning, Jamie, how are you doing?
I'm good, yeah, good, very good.
Well, I'm out for a 200 kilometre audax, and Jamie's joined me for the first 2-3 hours. We left at 6:30 this morning, and as you can see, it's lovely and bright. Look at that sky. Really is a nice start, and for January, can be described as mild, really, in the sense that we don't have to dress overly silly. There's no frost out. It's really nice. Well, I said that, I still feel like I'm like laying up a lot, do you?
I'm still cold.
Right, see what further up the road. Tell you a little bit more about the routes later on as well. Just coming up to midday, it's about 12 o'clock. 120 miles in, I think, just about. Yeah, big chunk of the ride not on film. It's taken a while to actually get warmed up this morning. And when I finally got warmed up, it started raining as well, so I had to put my jacket back on again. Yeah, so 120k done. Pop the route up on screen, have a look. I see it's a wiggly and windy one, and basically it's a local exercise loop, which kind of coincided really with the lockdown in January 2021. So I thought, well, tell you what, try and do it again. I'll try and do a bit quicker, get that lapse time down, and yeah, I think it's competing quite well at the moment. So like I said, about 120. I left Jamie at 60 at Ulsby, not 3 hours ago, perhaps about 2 and a bit hours ago, so on my own for the rest of the day now. So heading towards, what's it called? Oh, the other side of Swallow. I'm actually just trying out my new camera mount today, the mouth mount from Pro Standard, also known as the grill mount. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, I announced it on there. I actually won it from a Francis Cade competition. So hopefully this is going to give me some great views. Hopefully it'll be my go-to camera in the future as well, because not only can you stick it in your mouth, you can hold it like this, of course, like I'm doing now. Gives you a few more diverse shots instead of wearing a chest mount and things like that, which, as you know, I would often do. But the advantage of this one is also, if you're going downhill, you can keep on filming, have your hands on the handlebars. This is what I'm going to do in a second. You can sort of talk at the same time. My next stop really is at Binbrook, which is about 130k. So I'm going to go into the shop there, grab some lunch, eat what's in the top bag, and keep on moving. As you can see, in terms of the conditions today, the sky is grey. It started raining yet again. It said it was going to rain a tiny bit today, which it is. It's only tiny. Feels like hail though. You muddy. Can't believe I got to Binbrook and the shop was closed. Sunday 8 till 12. Well, oh god, yeah, it's gone 12. What I'm gonna do, I'm heading back to Waltham now. I'm gonna pop to the shop there. So I'm just heading back up to Binbrook actually. Just going it's kind of reverse of the Limber Hill climb, and then I'm going to be going off to the right of the screen here, up Bland Hill. It's anything but bland because it goes up rather quickly. End is in sight. 44 kilometres to go, and I stopped at Waltham, which is not far from home. As I believe I already told you, Binbrook was closed, shop there, so I made it to Waltham Co-op, of course. When are you going to smash this channel? So I had a Mars bar, a couple sausage rolls, can of Coke, topped up my water, just enough to see me to the end of this ride. Now, because it's kind of usual local roads, it's kind of an after work ride, that's what I'm thinking of. Although the particular route I probably won't do as an after work route because there's a kink in it. So if anybody knows the area, I'm near Ashby-cum-Fenby. I've just done the back road, the Waith Road into Bugsley. So I'm heading west to join the A18. There's a little bit of a climb at the end of this. And from there I'm going left. But what I do, I'll go further down, I'll go to left in Grangesby again. And from there, just the edge of Tetney, all normal so far. But then what I'm going to do is turn right to go to North Horseby and the fisheries, coming back on myself, do the Beesby climb, go left the other side of Walnewton, up that little bit of a hill to another crossroads and drop down Salters Lane. So yeah, I wouldn't normally do that. This whole ride's just been like zigging zagging across the Lincolnshire wolds. It's been a great day. Penultimate climb. One more to go after this. And that Beesby one is, you know, it's quite fair. It's fair. It's a fair climb. Right, let's concentrate on this one. If I was absolutely shattered, this would be the point in the ride where I'd be so tempted to go left and cut the ride short. If I wasn't enjoying it, it would be so easy to do. Looks like it's cleared over the, it's like the wet clouds have cleared over the wolds. I've been hugging them today. It's a bit of local weather over there, but it's finally cleared. So, a bit of sunshine up there. Last hill done, behind me there. That's the valley out Walnewton and crossroads, Salters Lake, that's where we're heading down now. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a post-ride video because I'm just about to throw my jacket on and set off for that last 50 minutes I think from here.
There you go folks, that was my ride. I was going to let you know how well I did after this ride in comparison to 12 months ago when I did this very same ride, which is the Local Exercise 2021. So if we got up on the screen here, we've got the results from last year, and my move time then was 9 hours and 42. Today that fell to 9 hours and 3 minutes, so I saved 39 minutes of move time. Lapse time, this time last year was 11 hours and 20. This year 10 hours and 4 minutes, so that's an hour and a quarter saved, so I'm really pleased with that. What really helped me today was, this was kind of my first long distance ride with the new power meter on, so I was pretty much riding by power all the way around. It was quite interesting to look at, and I'm looking forward to riding the Sonder again and sharing that journey with you. So yeah, that's it for this one. I hope you have a good week. If you like this one, don't forget to give it the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button. For me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.